Oh my god.
They cleared the area.
I got pushed away.
Cleared the area. Okay, that's going in a montage.
Do him dirty.
Kill Sigma. Get that guy out of here.
Crossing for healing but hiding behind a wall.
This is just bullying at this point.
Where'd you bleed?
I don't think I've had more than like fucking 2 deaths in a game so far. Wait, none of us died.
None of us died.
Oh my
Y'all didn't get a single kill. Nah. In the corner bit.
I'm a little 100 damage.
He's doing a little vacation.
What?
The widow probably in the window.
Harambe sleeping? Oh shit.
Harambe is good. Are you playing no heals? I'm just wondering.
I mean, we were waiting for that for 4 minutes. You couldn't have help now.
Give me hope.
Just smirked on the Moira.
Smooth. We're in there, bro. Fuck it all.
I'm here. Got him down, bitch.
Crazy, bro. Or stupid, even, I would say. Oh my god.
Shot me. Wait, they're so corny.
I'll do one more because I was fast.
Yes! That's kind of how it begins. The beginning of the end.
Oh!
God, that push army.
I fucking hate this guy.